everything's bigger in Texas, too.
Certainly is.
Here's Bilski on the left side. Dawson wears number 14. Appleby underneath. Look out. Owen White, the Rhinelander native, puts it in with the left hand. Left corner. And with the ball driving down hard to the hoop, and a block by Jake Witt.
D'Angelo Jake Witt denied him.
Well, there's a lot of contact on the defense out there for Ferris. They kick it over in the corner. Trent Bell will launch one. Good for three. That's a nice answer by the Huskies. Get it ahead to Johnston. Down low to T. Aaron Powell. T. Aaron backs himself into the lane. Decides to throw it out to Appleby. Over to Bilski for three. It's good. Dawson Bilski on the assist by Appleby.
Yeah, almost could have been whistled for a travel, too. Kind of had a extended spin move in the lane there.
Ferris with an, oh, what an unbelievable shot. Off the high
glass with the right amount of touch. Nice play there by the junior.
6-8. Here's a shot by Bilski. That running jump shot through the lane.
Just inside the three-point circle with defense all over him.
Ferris misses at the other end. They get the rebound. Work it over on the left side. A three shot is good. No good. To Appleby. Here come the Huskies. Appleby, they reach in from behind. And the ball still controlled by the Huskies. Shot from the corner is good. Well, that was such a mumbled up 16 Huskies. 8:30 or 8:48 to go in the first half. Shot is up and it dribbles in off the rim. Appleby down to 4 on the shot clock. Isaac from outside, no good. And the rebound by Jake Witt, and he converts. That was not an easy play, Josh. The basketball now is Jay McFadden, and it's no good. Rebounded by Jake Witt. Boy, here's an all-alone play at the other end. Trent Bell decides to lay it in rather than dunk. He got smacked from behind, no call. Now down at the other end, thrower just gets hammered.
He got the basketball, was able to make the play.
31-28 Huskies, here he goes. At Jake Witt with the handoff to White, back to Witt, and off the glass. Great passing there by the Husky combo.
Huskies, pretty well officiated game, letting some things go on both ends.
Appleby back to Witt for three, it's on its way, and it's good! Takes a high bounce off the rim. The first half, plus we got our trivia question coming up. It's all happening right here. Gold uniforms for the Huskies. They feed it to Trent Bell. Shot for three. It's good. Nice way to start the second half, Josh. He's able to break the press. Here we go with Dawson Bilski. And a dunk. Oh, they missed the dunk. The follow-up is good, though, by the Bulldogs. And the rebound taken by Ferris.
Yeah, got to go up a little more aggressive than that, but a nice steal by Johnston on the other end.
Carter takes it down right in front of the Tech bench. Bounce pass. Trent Bell with a dunk. With a one-handed, right-handed dunk. And the rebound taken by Ferris.
Yeah, got to go up a little more aggressive than that, but a nice steal by Johnston on the other end.
Carter takes it down right in front of the Tech bench. Bounce pass. Trent Bell with a dunk. With a one-handed, right-handed dunk. Anybody's ball game right now. Huskies, a very dangerous pass. Bell comes up with it. Johnston feeding underneath. Witt lays it in. And the Huskies with some nice passing. Ball there. Here's Trent over for Schuler from outside. Good ball for two.
Long.
Schuler's got it down low, double teamed outside. Over to the right for a wide open Bilski, and he hits a three-pointer. Dawson game gets it over to Owen White. Owen at the free throw line, back to Bilski, and he hits another three. Feed the hot hand. Bounce it to D'Angelo Hughes. Ferris with the basketball. 18 on the shot clock. They get it out to thrower. Big shot from outside. Good for three. He missed it. Nice pass by Bilski.
You're right, I was looking at the wrong line.
Oh, and a slam dunk at the other end. Thrown, I think. No, correction, that's Mayfield. Here's a shot from outside. Good for three.
And Tinsley right now is feeling it.
Yeah. Williams with a dangerous pass down low. Ferris gets blocked by Trent Bell, but they come back up with a loose ball. Stolen away by Bilski. He puts on the brakes, lays it up and in.
Counted and a foul.
For a good 10 seconds. Huskies lead by 6. 45 seconds to go. Oh, block at the other end.
Foul here, the Huskies.
7 seconds, cross-court pass. Will they get a shot off? Yes, they do. It's no good. Rebound, Huskies. Johnston, buzzer sounds, game over. Huskies win by 3. Woo! Ferris State is shocked. They win the men's game 64-61. We'll take a break, and when we come back,